Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The DJI Flip could be the perfect entry point for first-time drone buyers, offering a blend of beginner-friendly features and advanced capabilities. Let's dive deeper into what makes this sub-250G foldable drone so appealing, and a potential game-changer for newcomers and casual drone enthusiasts alike. Lightweight and beginner-friendly design. The DJI Flip weighs in at under 250 grams, which places it firmly in the Category 1 drone classification. This means that in many regions, it doesn't require registration and complies with remote ID regulations, making it an easy choice for beginners. Additionally, the Flip includes foldable arms with built-in propeller guards, enhancing portability and ensuring safer flights. This design choice targets first-time users who might still be learning the ropes of drone piloting. While some users have criticized its aesthetics, calling it ugly or fragile, its functional design speaks to its beginner-centric appeal. Camera system. Big features in a small package. Sensor and lens. At the heart of the DJI Flip is a 1/1.3-inch sensor paired with a 24mm lens with an f/1.7 aperture. This setup promises excellent low-light performance, allowing users to capture stunning images even in challenging lighting conditions. Video capabilities. For video enthusiasts, the Flip supports 4K resolution at 60 fps, ensuring crisp, high-quality footage. Full HD slow-motion recording up to 100 fps. Ideal for dramatic cinematic shots. Vertical shooting modes in 2.7K and 1080p resolutions, catering to content creators focused on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. For those interested in post-production flexibility, the Flip includes D-Log-M color support and a 150 megabits per second video bitrate, ensuring vibrant colors and more detailed footage for editing. Stabilization. Unlike the single-axis stabilization system of its predecessor, the DJI Neo, the Flip features a full 3-axis gimbal, providing smoother footage even during more dynamic flight maneuvers. Flight performance. Battery life and speed. The DJI Flip boasts a flight time of up to 31 minutes, offering ample opportunity for extended sessions. Its maximum speed of 27 miles per hour, 39.4 feet per second, in sport mode, and its ability to handle level 5 wind resistance make it a capable performer in various conditions. Obstacle avoidance. Equipped with a front-facing 3D TOF sensor with a 26-foot detection range and infrared sensors beneath the hull, the Flip provides reliable obstacle detection. However, it lacks LiDAR, light detection and ranging technology, which could limit precision compared to higher-end drones. Transmission system. The Flip utilizes DJI's O4 transmission system, enabling a 1080p live feed at 60 fps up to a distance of 8.7 miles. This ensures a stable and clear video signal, even during long-distance flights. Unique features. Innovative folding mechanism. A standout feature of the DJI Flip is its rear arm folding mechanism, which includes a sensor that powers the drone on when unfolded. However, folding it back doesn't turn it off, leaving you with manual control over shutdown, a thoughtful addition for those who prefer precise handling of their devices. Configurations and pricing. The DJI Flip is available in 3 configurations, making it accessible to different budgets. Base combo, $449. Mid-tier combo, $720. Premium combo, $885. Each configuration comes with varying accessories and features, allowing users to choose the best option for their needs. At this price point, the Flip offers significant value, especially for a drone with such a versatile feature set. Limitations and criticisms. While the DJI Flip has garnered praise for its performance and beginner-friendly design, some drawbacks have been noted. Aesthetics. Critics have labeled the Flip ugly, though this is subjective and doesn't impact its functionality. Noise levels. Some users have described it as noisier than expected, which could be a concern for those seeking a quieter flying experience. Durability. Its lightweight construction has led to perceptions of fragility, although proper handling and care should mitigate this issue. Who is the DJI Flip for? The DJI Flip isn't designed to replace high-end drones like the Mavic 4 Pro, which offer more advanced features for professional filmmakers and seasoned drone pilots. Instead, it's tailored for first-time buyers. The lightweight, user-friendly design and affordability make it a perfect choice for newcomers. Casual content creators. With vertical shooting modes and robust video capabilities, The Flip is ideal for social media enthusiasts. Travelers, its compact, foldable design ensures easy portability, making it a great companion for on-the-go adventures. Final verdict. The DJI Flip may not revolutionize the drone market, but it fills a crucial niche. An accessible, feature-rich drone that bridges the gap between affordability and performance. While its design and noise levels may not appeal to everyone, its combination of camera quality, flight performance, and user-friendly features make it a compelling option for those looking to take their first step into the world of drones. So, does the DJI Flip have what it takes to make you hit that buy now button? If you've been hesitating, this might just be the drone to finally seal the deal. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates, reviews, and leaks on the latest drones.